Pros and cons of cast iron kitchen sinks. Dear friends, cast iron kitchen sinks are a popular choice for homeowners who value durability, timeless design, and premium finishes. However, before selecting one for your kitchen, it is important to understand both its advantages and limitations. In this video, we will clearly explain the pros and cons of cast iron kitchen sinks to help you make an informed decision. Pros of cast iron kitchen sink. One of the major advantages of a cast iron kitchen sink is its exceptional durability. Manufactured from solid cast iron and coated with high-quality enamel, these sinks can handle heavy cookware, high temperatures, and everyday wear with ease. Another key benefit is their elegant and premium appearance. The smooth, glossy enamel finish is available in a wide range of colors, making cast iron sinks suitable for both modern and traditional kitchen styles. Cast iron sinks also offer excellent heat retention and are quieter during use, as the thick material absorbs sound better than thinner sink materials. Cons of cast iron kitchen sink. The primary drawback of cast iron sinks is their heavy weight, which often requires reinforced cabinetry and professional installation. They are also more expensive compared to stainless steel or composite sinks. Additionally, if the enamel coating gets chipped, the exposed iron may rust if not repaired promptly. Conclusion. In conclusion, cast iron kitchen sinks provide long-lasting durability and a high-end look, but they come with higher costs and installation requirements. Consider your budget, cabinet strength, and maintenance preferences before making a final choice. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.